Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something absolutely game-changing. I'm going to show you how treating AI as your actual business co-founder can literally eliminate the heavy lifting of building an online brand. We are focusing strictly on the AI commerce blueprint for rapid scaling. Look, if you've been around the e-commerce space for a minute, you know it used to be an absolute grind, right? You had to source products, hunt down copywriters, shell out thousands for expensive photo shoots, and just burn through cash testing ads. But today, we're going to see how artificial intelligence has completely flipped that script. It's taking what used to take weeks and tons of money and turning it into a hyper-streamlined automated process. And to really show you the power of this framework in action, we're going to reverse engineer a totally fascinating case study. We're looking at a complete beginner who used this exact strategy to generate $100,000 in his first 90 days. That's right, 90 days. And get this, prior to this, he had never found a product, never launched a single store, and had never run an ad in his life. But by leaning 100% on this AI blueprint, he completely bypassed the usual painful learning curve. He built a highly sustainable brand, consistently pulling in over $1,000 a day. Honestly, that is the true power of AI leverage.
So here's our roadmap for today's masterclass. We'll be hitting product validation, brand asset creation, automated scaling, and finally, the turnkey engine. This whole blueprint really breaks down into 3 core actionable steps, where AI just steps right in to replace those expensive photo shoots, writer's block, and dreaded ad fatigue. The biggest takeaway you should keep in your back pocket here, you are no longer the one doing the grunt work. Think of yourself as the director. AI is your production crew, your marketing team, and your data analyst, all rolled into one. Okay, let's jump into step 1, AI-driven product validation.
The golden rule here is that you absolutely do not guess. Instead, you feed your product idea, let's say it's something like a portable space heater, into ChatGPT. You use what we call a validator prompt to instantly analyze its profitability and seasonal spikes. So instead of risking your hard-earned capital on just a gut feeling, you're letting the AI scrape through massive amounts of data to evaluate your market competitors and potential demand. With that space heater, for example, the AI can instantly pinpoint spiky seasonal demand around Q4. It basically hands you a calculated green or red light on profitability before you've spent a single dime. Now, to feed that prompt the right info, I've got a pro tip for you. You systematically find newly trending items on TikTok Shop, and then, this is the key, you cross-reference them against Amazon's massive traffic data. This ensures the product has serious buyer demand. You're basically hunting for products on TikTok that launched in the last 30 days, stuff that's gaining traction but isn't totally dominated by massive brands yet. Then, you head straight over to Amazon to verify the real-world traffic. If you see something crazy like 20,000 to 60,000 purchases in the past month for similar items, boom, you have mathematically validated serious buyer demand.
Moving right along, step 2, rapid brand asset creation.
As the source material points out, this is the phase where you let your AI co-founder do literally all the heavy lifting. You don't need to learn how to code. You certainly don't need to become a master copywriter overnight. You just get to sit back and delegate effectively. Here is exactly what you are handing off. ChatGPT writes your copy and strategizes the offer, while AI image generators create these stunning, professional-grade lifestyle images featuring completely non-existent, highly realistic people. We are talking about building a totally legitimate, high-trust brand appearance from thin air. The AI writes the product descriptions, crafts the website text, and get this, it even generates incredibly realistic testimonial videos using AI human models. Honestly, if you showed these visuals to anyone on the street, there is almost a 0% chance they'd even realize it was AI. But you know what the most mind-blowing part of all this is? It's the sheer speed. By utilizing these tools, a high-quality Shopify storefront can be fully strategized and launched in just 3 hours. Seriously, 3 hours. Just think about that for a second. What used to take a dedicated team of web developers and graphic designers weeks to painstakingly put together can now be executed in a single afternoon. It radically lowers the barrier to entry, letting you test products in the market way faster than ever before. And that brings us to step 3, automated creative production and scaling. Now, you might be sitting there wondering, how do you actually get customers to this beautiful new store without hiring a super expensive marketing agency? It's the classic e-commerce hurdle, right? You've got this great setup, but how do you get eyeballs on it without burning your entire budget just testing out different ad creatives?
Well, the answer is pretty revolutionary. You use AI tools to generate those incredibly realistic human models we talked about, and you have them speak your Chat GPT written scripts. This allows you to launch and test multiple video ads on Facebook and TikTok so rapidly. You don't need to hire actors, there's no camera crew to pay. You literally just type your script into the AI software, and it generates a lifelike human presenting your product flawlessly. You can have them explain the problem, introduce your product as the ultimate solution, and prompt the viewer to buy, all of it generated in a matter of minutes. And because you drastically reduce the time and cost of production, you can scale a single winning product to generate over $1,000 a day for months on end. This is the scaling result in action. Since your creatives cost mere pennies on the dollar to make, you can comfortably afford to test 5, 10, or even 20 different marketing angles until you find the perfect one that really resonates with buyers. And once you hit that winner, the sustainability is just incredible. Finally, let's look at step 4, the turnkey AI engine for beginners. So instead of relying on static, prepackaged store assets, you can actually inject this AI blueprint to act as a dynamic engine. It continuously updates your turnkey site with fresh trends and perfect copy. Say you have a ready-made store structure from a platform like EcomChief. You don't have to settle for stagnant inventory anymore. You just apply this exact AI commerce blueprint to cycle out old products and seamlessly generate stunning visuals and highly targeted copy for new trending items. It essentially turns a standard turnkey store into a continuous, high-performance sales engine. The technical barriers to e-commerce are officially gone. Think about it. You have the AI to find the product, build the brand, and create the ads, which leaves us with a really provocative thought to end on today. If an AI can perfectly replicate the entire workload of a business co-founder for a fraction of the cost, what is going to happen to traditional businesses that refuse to adapt? The blueprint is right here. The tools are waiting. So what's stopping you from launching today?